we're seeing this sort of still pressure on food prices. Consumers are particularly nervous. And so food industry managers are going to the government saying, look, can you hold off on those initiatives which you were set to introduce at the end of this year? Because they may well have a that they will just push inflation past what we want to see it. So, for example, in our particular case, in about another 2 months, we're introducing packaging tax, which I've mentioned before, and that's a tax by government on every packaging item with food and drink in it. And it depends on the element of the packaging. So plastic packaging is taxed at about $600 per ton.
Wow.
Um, Card and paper is about $270. So you as the manufacturer, when you put your stuff in the packaging, you get taxed that and you then pass it through the chain. Of course, then that will drive food prices up. And they're saying to government, can you just hold off this for the minute because it won't be helpful? Another point too, relating, I can link this back, I think, to food price inflation, is that in the US, as far as I remember, Charlie, you've got the same level of problem as we have in terms of theft from
Mm.
supermarkets. That's just gone up hugely. And also to a degree, which is shameful, violence, abuse of staff in the shops. And what we've seen in the UK is two of our major retailers, one Asda, which is ex-Walmart, and the other Iceland, and not the country, but Iceland is a supermarket chain which specializes in frozen food. And they're introducing, if I get it right, facial recognition technology. So these two supermarket chains are scanning the faces of people, of their customers, as they enter the front door and checking this against a criminal database. And
Wow.
if there's a problem, they go, oh, it sends an alert to staff if the face matches a villain. So the goal is both to reduce theft, but also to protect staff from violence.